when I was debating Auburn State before Tech State, I was like, Auburn State is so comparable. I can't. Yeah. Senior year, after senior year of high school, and now I'm left.
Wait, cool. Sophie, will you take a picture of me and Quinn?
Yeah. Be careful with my face.
If y'all want to hand me.
Oh yeah, would you?
Oh, I see it now. What? I wish it was. That would be great timing. Hopefully. We're gonna have to get off of the path we're sporting on, but it's like not far. It doesn't look like at all. Yo yo yo.
So go crawl up in there.
That's what I do. I do that right here.
Woohoo! Almost tripped.
Wonderful little 3-mile stroll. I do think people walk on the road a lot, but I'm just not enjoying the fact that it's like gradual uphill, and I don't like it. Look at that man, all alone. Such sorrow going through his head. She said this is like Stars Hollow from Gilmore Girls.